is Rebecca Drazen, and I'm one of the ag teachers here at the Denison High School. And this is the greenhouse that our ag classes utilize. So we have our freshmen in Intro to Ag and our sophomores in Plant Science that both use the greenhouse. So in the winter, we use the greenhouse by having our Plant Science class grow poinsettias. And then we have our freshmen do succulents that we sell right before Christmas in our December winter plant sale. And then in the spring, you can see we have a lot of color popping. We have our Plant Science students do 900 different flowers, hanging baskets, arrangements that they transplant. And then our Intro to Ag classes do garden vegetables that people can purchase right around Mother's Day to beautify around their homes or get their garden started for the summer. And then in the classroom, students learn about the different types of plants and how to grow them, and they work towards a plant science certification for their resume. And here in the greenhouse, they put that knowledge to the test, and they actually learn those hands-on skills that they're learning on paper in the classroom. And then it also teaches them life skills that they can use outside of school. So those are some ways we utilize our greenhouse here at the Denison High School.